Lovers in the Night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. 1. There is an option for the age division plus, which is no need to go on your knee. When you go 1, 2, 3, instead of the knee drop, just make a quarter turn over your right and make an attitude to come back with a quarter turn to carry on with your dance. And there is a tag after wall number 4. You just have to restart the dance with the same steps. 1, 2, 3. Step back with a side rock to start again the dance. This is your tag for 6 counts. Then you will have a restart on wall 5. Good luck.